A quiet evening flight from Hong Kong to Singapore suddenly turns tense. Just minutes before landing, a sharp burning smell spreads through the cabin, and the source is quickly discovered. A passenger's power bank has burst into flames. This is what happened on Scoot Flight TR-939. Scoot's Airbus A321neo was descending toward Singapore when a passenger reported a sudden burning odor. At first, she thought a laptop in front had overheated, but the truth was far more dangerous. A power bank tucked inside a laptop bag had entered thermal runaway, sparking a small but intense flame under a passenger seat. Cabin crew immediately rushed into action. According to witnesses, flight attendants grabbed protective gloves, ice, and a fire extinguisher. They dragged the smoking laptop bag into the lavatory and worked to extinguish the fire using both extinguishing agents and water. All passengers were ordered to remain seated and avoid taking photos or videos. Though the fire was contained, smoke and chemical smells filled the cabin, causing discomfort and nervousness among passengers. Once the aircraft touched down safely at 9:06 p.m. in Singapore, emergency services boarded the plane. Firefighters and medics inspected the cabin before passengers were allowed to disembark. A burn mark left on the cabin wall revealed how close the flames had been to sensitive cabin materials, a sight one passenger described as scary. Still, despite the dramatic visuals, Scoot confirmed, no injuries were reported. Scoot later released a statement explaining, the flame came from an overheated power bank, the fire was promptly extinguished, and safety remains their top priority. They apologized for the disruption, but praised crew professionalism. Why power bank fires are rising? This incident is the latest in a string of battery-related fires on board aircraft. Recently, an Air China flight made an emergency landing after a lithium battery ignited, and a Hong Kong Airlines flight diverted due to a burning power bank. Because of this, Scoot and Singapore Airlines banned all power bank use on April 1st, including charging via USB ports. Other carriers such as AirAsia and Thai Airways have implemented similar restrictions. Lithium batteries remain one of the top fire risks in aviation. Incidents like this show how quickly something small, a single power bank, can threaten an entire flight. Thankfully, the crew of TR-939 acted fast, and another disaster was avoided.